Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to shoot a product video at home with very smooth professional looking camera slider footage using a very cheap camera slider technique. This is a very smooth product shot that I shot with very affordable and easy to use equipment in my bedroom. I actually own both a motorized dolly and a gimbal. But for the sake of simplicity, I many times just put my camera on something that can glide smoothly and then I slide it. For this specific setup, the actual stage is my IKEA Malm bureau. In the background I have some IKEA Visvas LED lights, mainly to create depth and create a parallax effect, but also to get a little backlight. Then I have the actual product that I want to shoot. It can be a camera, a lens or a box. And lastly, I have the camera on something that can glide. This is shot mainly in natural light close to a window with some small LEDs in the background. For this I used a magazine. It has turned out that a slightly matte finish is sliding better on my bureau than a glossy magazine, which tend to stick more to the surface. Then I just slide it around. Try to experiment using a kitchen towel, put the camera on a tripod or use your smartphone. One more advice is to shoot in a higher frame rate and then slow it down in post. That will give you an even smoother motion. Let me know in the comments what you think or if you have any questions regarding this. From Sweden with love, thanks for watching.